Hey Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. I'm TheNiaHope, and if you're new here or you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So today I am super excited to be filming this video. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for like a challenge like tutorial to come to the natural hair world. This originally started with the beauty gurus of YouTube, and as soon as I saw it I was like, yes, there's finally like a challenge on YouTube that's like in the beauty realm, but it's transferable to the hair world that I kind of am in on YouTube. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, okay, who would I copy? So I was trying to think, and instantly after that, JAELAH Majette came to mind. If you've watched JAELAH's tutorials and you're like kind of like new to watching her videos, you now know she has this like long, luscious hair, but when she first started out on YouTube, she had a super short cut like mine. So I went back to her old videos and I found one for short natural hair that I could basically try out here on camera, and I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's just jump into her video. Alright, so let's go over everything that she plans on using in this hair tutorial. She's going to be using Eco Styler gel. This is a favorite. I actually ran out of mine, so I just went out and bought this new jar, and look at this with the flip top. I'm actually feeling that right now. She's using that. She made a homemade spray. I'm not using the one she's using. I'm gonna use my DIY leave-in conditioner with aloe vera and rosemary. If you guys want to see the DIY tutorial for that, I will link it below. So I'm using that. She's using Carol's Daughter's Black Vanilla, I believe some type of like holding edge control thing. I could not find that at the store, so I just got this Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Finishing Paste. And it says it has extra strength hold on it. I've never used this before, so hopefully it does its job. She's also using Vaseline. Now sis, there's lots of things that I could say about this, but I'm most nervous about using this right here. The last thing she goes in with is an olive oil hair sheen. Instead, I will be using just some trusty dusty olive oil right here. All right, so now that we have everything that we need to recreate this style, let's see what she does next.
Okay, so first I'm gonna comb through this. I don't even know what to call it, but it hurt when I comb it. Can you tell? Next, I'm gonna go in with this mixture, this potion I made. Baby, I didn't. Oh, sorry.
Okay, so now she's going in with her leave-in conditioner. If you guys can see, I got like a little baby fro now. Y'all see this length? Okay, hair come through. But anyway, she's going in with her leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with mine, and she's just spraying it everywhere. So I'm gonna spray mine everywhere as well.
Made up something, I don't know. Now I'm gonna take the Vaseline. My dad actually told me about this trick because we got the same hair, so I said why not use it, and it works.
Okay, so we're gonna pause right here for a second. This girl got some Vaseline and put it in her hair, and I really don't know how to feel about this. I've never in my life put Vaseline in my hair. Like the only time I would do it was when I was getting perms, like back in the day, and you have to like get your edges before you put the relaxer in, but never like to coat my hair. And I'm actually really nervous about this part. So I'm just gonna go in here. She doesn't really show how much, but it definitely looks like it's enough to coat her whole entire head of hairs. Oh. Okay, it doesn't feel as weird as I thought it would feel. I'm not really sure what this does. She doesn't explain it other than saying that her dad taught her this trick. So I'm not really sure what it will do for this hairstyle. Let me like get closer so you guys can see what it looks like in my hair. Oh my gosh, like my hair looks white a little bit. Why is that? Oh gosh. Okay, now that that step's done, let's see what's next.
And I'm gonna massage that all through my hair.
Okay, we've massaged
That's
it.
a pretty good amount too. Next, I'm gonna take the Eco Styler gel and I'm gonna massage that in just like I massaged the Vaseline in.
We're gonna take some Eco. Got some Eco. We're gonna massage that in too. Ooh. I feel like I have so much product, like heavy product in my hair right now. This is crazy. Does my hair look like hers yet? No, it looks crazy. Okay, so she's put the Eco Styler gel in her hair and she's begun to brush it down. But let's just begin to brush it down. Oh, my hair is like trying to slick down. Hers isn't that slick. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. There's a lot of things happening here that I feel like should not be happening. Oh, wow. Her hair isn't this slick down. But we also have like two different textures of hair. Like her hair is definitely thicker than mine, and she also has a looser curl, so I'm assuming that's why like this is coming out a little bit differently, or maybe I used too much Eco Styler gel. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's move on. What does she do next?
Next, I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm making a part. It doesn't really, it's never perfect because it always moves.
Okay, let's try to make this part that she's making. I don't even know if my hair is long enough to make a part, but we about to find out. Oh, snaps. Am I at part length? Parting length? I might have parting length hair now. How cool. Okay. This looks like trash. Oh, no, I look kind of good. Okay, it looks kind of okay.
But then I'm going to take the Carol's Daughter Edge Control and I'm going to put that in the part to kind of make it stay, but that's as good as...
Okay, so now she went in with the Carol's Daughter. I'm gonna go in with this since I don't have Carol's Daughter and kind of secure this part. So she like puts it on either side of the part and kind of like massages it in. Oh yeah, that definitely looks secure. It's a nice little holding gel. I'm gonna go in with a brush to kind of make sure my part stays how it needs to be.
Okay, so girl, let me tell you about these baby hairs.
Okay.
I just put the edge control all over my edges.
Oh, so we're going back in this for the edges.
Reinforce that part that's slowly disappearing.
Okay. Edge control on edges, check. So we're gonna put this edge control on the edges, just like she did. And she went back in to reinforce her part like again, but mine is pretty much holding right where it should be, so I'm not gonna worry about mine. I'm just gonna focus on getting this product into my edges for right now.
And then I'm gonna take that toothbrush, and it's kind of ratchet, but she important. Like this
major
toothbrush
key
is important. It's probably like the most important.
She's doing something.
But it's important.
So she's not doing like the swoop edges. She's doing like edges that curl one way and then curl the other way. So I'm gonna attempt to do this. I've never attempted to do something like this to my hair with my edges. So let's get one. Okay, I think her first one swooped in, right? So we're gonna swoop that one in and swoop that one in the other direction. Is it working? Okay, I might have did something right there. I think it's working. Okay. Come through edges. And we're just gonna continue to do this just like JAELAH did it. Okay, at this point, I think my edges are about as slayed as they're gonna get. So let's move on to the next step and see what she does.
All right, so next we're gonna take some more gel and put it all in my hair. Just, I guess, kind of to set the whole thing.
Some more gel. Okay.
And a little bit more gel, and probably a little bit more after that.
Oh, Jesus, JAELAH.
Yeah.
That's a lot of gel. Okay. Okay.
And then I'm just gonna brush it a little bit more until I like it.
We brushing. brushing. I'm scared to brush because it gets too slick when I brush it because it's so much freaking product. Okay. Y'all see how mine like slicks down? Hers isn't slicking like that, but that's what happens when you have two different textures of hair. Like, it responds to products differently. So I'm not gonna do too much brushing. I'm just gonna use my hands instead. If I press down, it just slicks out, and I don't want that because her hair is definitely not doing that. I need it to like maintain its texture. But let's see what she does now.
I didn't know it was this much, but a lot of oil sheen on my hair.
Okay, she's going in with the oil sheen now. As I said, I don't have that. I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. So I have a nice healthy amount of oil here, seeing that she used a whole lot of oil in her clip. And I'm just gonna rub this in my hands. Y'all can't really see, but y'all can see the grease, right? And I'm just gonna like pat this over my hair. All right, so my hair is oiled successfully now. Let's see what happens next.
Then I take my scarf, and I swear the scarf makes the whole look. It just lays everything down so flat. And then usually I put my scarf on, and then I'll go do something, leave it on there for like an hour, maybe like clean or cook or something, and I leave it on, and then I'll take it off whenever I'm ready to go somewhere. So sometimes it stays up there for hours at a time. But I always put it on even if it's only for 5 minutes.
Okay, so she said she lets this sit for at least 5 minutes or way longer. I think I'm gonna let mine set for like 30 minutes and then I will be right back. Okay, Naturalists, so I am back, and this is like the moment of truth. I cannot wait to see what the final look is gonna look like. I hope it looks bomb, like as good as JAELAH's hair looked when she was done. So let's see her results first. Hold on.
And then I just take my scarf off.
Let's see what my hair looks like now. You guys ready for this? I'm like, I'm nervous and excited at the same time to see what's happening under here. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Oh, wait a minute! This is low-key kinda cute! I like it! JAELAH, you know what? It must have been something in that Vaseline. Like my hair is actually super soft right now. And that actually, now I'm thinking about that, actually might have been what the Vaseline did. It like stops the Eco Styler gel from being super hard and crunchy, because that's what I was expecting to feel, like a lot of crunchiness and hardness, but it's actually really soft. I don't want to disturb it. I know she brushes hers out. I'm not gonna brush mine out because y'all have already seen when I brush and when she brushes, our hair does two completely different things. And I don't want to destroy the texture because like her hair is still very textured after this. And I don't want to like take that away from this final product by trying to brush it and possibly getting that slicked look that I kept getting that I don't want. But overall, I like this. So yeah, now I'm dying to know, have you guys tried my short natural hair styling tutorials? Have you tried other people's short natural hair styling tutorials? And did they come out the same way for you as they did for the YouTuber that you're watching? Yes or no? Like, what's your success rate? Like, most of the time it works out, or most of the time it's like, nah, like it just doesn't work for you. I want to know your stories. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.